Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if battery percent not showing on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, battery percent sign missing from your system, then here are the fixes. The first and initial workaround is go to Windows settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Thereafter from the right side, go to power and battery settings. Click on it and here scroll down and you will find battery percentage. Make sure that this toggle button is turned on. So if you found it in off mode, then simply enable this feature and you can see after enabling battery percent sign is showing here. If even after enabling battery percent toggle button your problem is still, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose task manager. Restart your Windows Explorer service. Simply go in task manager, from the left side go to process tab option and select Windows Explorer and choose restart task from the top right corner. Select Windows Explorer and choose restart task. This will restart your file explorer and accordingly your battery percent will show. If your problem is still, then one more fixes, update your battery driver. Right click on a start button, choose device manager and here go expand batteries. Right click on your battery and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process. Your battery percent sign now definitely be showed here. Don't forget to restart your system.